We would now like to invite Mr. Azwan Khan, Group Chief Operating Officer of Dialog Axiata, to the stage.
Thank you. Most Venerable Galaboma Gnesaretiru, members of the clergy, His Lordship Mohan Peris, Chief Justice, Honourable Gotabaya Rajapaksa, Secretary to the Ministry of Defence and Urban Development, Mr. Mati Parthiban and the BT Options team, distinguished guests. Firstly, I'd like to thank Mati and the team from Business Today in again recognising our contributions by honouring us as one of the 25 leading corporations in Sri Lanka. As a corporation, Dialog believes that we are accountable not just to our shareholders, customers, staff, but we are indeed accountable to all 21 million Sri Lankans. And that's why, as a company, we plough back a quarter to a third of our revenues in terms of capital investments in the nation's infrastructure. As an industry overall, Dialog, and including our friends in Sri Lanka Telecom, have invested to bring cutting-edge technologies to Sri Lanka. We were the first in the region to bring in 3G technologies back in 2005. We were the first to develop 4G technologies back in 2012. We are very proud to have been able to play a role and continuing to play a role in terms of the developments economically and from a society point of view of Sri Lanka. From 1995 to 2005, our main focus in terms of our investments was to emphasize on building high-quality, affordable voice networks to enable Sri Lankans to connect in an affordable manner across the nation and internationally. It's been scientifically proven that 10% increase in mobile penetration brings a 0.8% GDP growth. Today, I'm proud to state that Sri Lanka has over 100% mobile penetration. So beyond that, for the past 5 years and ongoing, our next wave of investments is really investing in data networks to take Sri Lankans to be able to connect not just to fellow Sri Lankans by voice, but to connect them to the wealth of global knowledge via the internet. If voice 10% penetration brought 0.8% GDP growth, on the internet, 10% increase in penetration brings 1.6% GDP growth. So going forward, what does Dialog plan to do? We've connected and are connecting Sri Lankans to Sri Lankans by voice. We're connecting Sri Lankans to the internet. Where do we go from here? So our next wave of growth we see is connecting the Sri Lankan non-humans. So by that, what do I mean? I don't mean go and buy a prepaid connection for your pet. I'd like it if you did. My sales guys would very much like it if you did. But what we're really talking about is connecting devices. So we're very excited about the idea of developing Sri Lankan connected cities. Cities where devices talk to one another, devices in our homes talk to each other. Just imagine a world of what this would enable. Traffic lights that automatically know and can detect what vehicles are in the neighborhood, change colors to optimize traffic flows. Street lights that know whether cars, people are around, automatically dim or increase light to save electricity. Houses which know what the demand is on the grid and turn themselves on and off to optimize load on the grid depending on the time of day and load on the network. So we're very excited about what the future builds. Dialog is committed to working with the government and the Urban Development Authority to make such visionary technology a reality in Sri Lanka. So finally, what I'd like to do is to really thank all of the stakeholders. I'd like to thank the government of Sri Lanka. I'd like to thank the regulator for the progressive policies that have brought the explosive growth that we've seen in the past couple of years. I'd like to thank and accept this award on behalf of the employees of Dialog who work day and night to really serve our customers. And finally, most importantly, I'd like to thank the 10 million customers that we have who have made Dialog what it is. So with that, good evening. Thank you.